So what if one of the most advanced AI models on the planet was just suddenly made free for everyone overnight? Well, it just happened. But the real story here isn't the generous gift. It's what the company xAI wants in return.
Exactly, Alex. This isn't just some simple product release.
Right.
It's a bold strategic maneuver in the high-stakes AI race.
Right.
I mean, xAI has unleashed Grok 4, their direct competitor to OpenAI's and Google's best models. And it's built on a fascinating two-pronged strategy.
Okay, let's unpack that. The first prong is what they call flooding the top of the funnel. It sounds like marketing jargon,
Yeah.
but it's brutally effective. They're giving away this incredibly powerful tool to capture what they call real-world signals.
And to put that in, simple terms, it's about learning from us. It's a bit like a brilliant chef opening a free restaurant, not just to be nice, but to see what thousands of people order, what they leave on their plate, and what ingredients they ask for. They're gathering just an immense amount of data on how real people use AI in the wild.
So that data is the fuel for the second, more secretive prong, building a radically different foundation model. The theory is that this constant, massive stream of user interactions will let them build a next-gen AI with what they call higher-order capabilities.
Right.
True reasoning, not just pattern matching.
It's a clever and honestly an aggressive pivot from their competitors.
Right.
While others are focused on selling subscriptions, xAI is weaponizing their free tier. They're playing a long game centered on data dominance, and the user experience itself is designed to help them learn.
You're talking about the auto mode and expert mode, right? It's not just a simple chatbot.
Precisely. Think of auto mode as this intelligent assistant that decides on its own whether a task needs a quick thought or deep concentration. So if you ask it for a recipe, it's fast. But if you ask it to solve a complex physics problem, it automatically kicks into a higher gear using way more computational power.
And expert mode?
Expert mode is the manual override. It's basically you telling the AI, look, I don't care if this seems simple to you.
Right.
I want your full, undivided attention and maximum brain power on this. And for xAI, the data from this is gold. They learn exactly when users feel they need more reasoning power.
But wait, so even with expert mode, we're not getting the absolute best they have. This top-tier version, Grok 4 Heavy, is still kept under lock and key. Why is that one so special?
Grok 4 Heavy is a glimpse into the future. It's a multi-agent system. So instead of one giant AI brain trying to solve a problem, it reportedly spins up a whole team of specialized AI agents. Imagine a study group of experts. One is a mathematician, one is a writer, another is a logician. They each tackle the problem from their angle. Then they debate and collaborate to produce the final refined answer. It's slower and far, far more expensive to run, which is why it's reserved for that premium subscription.
This whole strategy just feels designed to completely shake up the entire market.
Oh, totally.
Making a flagship model free is a direct assault on the user bases of like ChatGPT and Gemini.
It is, and xAI has this unique, almost unfair advantage. It's deep integration with X. They have a real-time data firehose of global conversations, trends, and arguments that no other AI company can access. The free Grok model drives people to the X platform, and the data from X makes Grok smarter. It's a perfect self-reinforcing loop.
But this brings us to the big question, right? How do you pay for it? Running these models costs an absolute fortune in GPU power. Elon Musk has already given the answer. Advertisements.
And that's a massive departure. The AI industry has largely followed a SaaS model, software as a service. You pay a subscription for a tool, but xAI is instead adopting the business model of Google Search or Facebook. The service is free, but it's supported by ads. Now, this could make powerful AI universally accessible, but it opens a Pandora's box of questions about user privacy and whether advertisers could influence the AI's results.
So the grand strategy is becoming clear. The free Grok 4 is a Trojan horse. It appears